Anger, anger is a messenger. And when we ignore the message, when we silence it, when we weaponize it instead of listening to it, it's here that it turns toxic. It becomes corrosive. It becomes destructive. And it breaks everything around us, including ourselves. See, when a man does not know what to do with his anger, he usually chooses one of two roads. Either he implodes or he explodes. Implosion looks like depression, detachment, apathy, disappearance, fatigue, a quiet shutdown. Whereas explosion looks like aggression or blame or hostility or volatility, violence or verbal outbursts. Both of these are forms of collapse. One just happens inward and the other one outward. But neither leads to healing. They only deepen that wound.